Hello. Welcome home. The sea stretches endlessly, its surface a shimmering expanse of blues and greens that beckons with serene allure. Gentle waves roll in with a rhythmic grace, caressing the shoreline in a perpetual dance of ebb and flow. As the sun sets, the horizon blazes with hues of orange and pink, casting a magical glow over the tranquil waters. Clouds drift serenely across the sky, their ever-changing shapes painting a dynamic mural of softness and light. Each formation tells a story, from fluffy cumulus clouds that suggest playful daydreams to the wispy cirrus that whisper of distant winds. Gaze upon the towering mountains, their snow-capped peaks piercing the heavens in a grand display of nature's grandeur. Each rugged crag and sweeping valley tells a story of geological artistry, carved by the passage of millennia. As the sun bathes the peaks in a golden light, the mountains stand as timeless sentinels, embodying both the strength and serenity of the natural world. As they float across the vast blue expanse, clouds invite us to pause and marvel at the gentle, ethereal beauty of the sky. Nature's beauty unfolds in every corner of the earth, from the whispering forests and towering mountains to the endless seas and vibrant skies. Each scene is a testament to the boundless creativity and majesty of the natural world, inviting us to pause, reflect, and find solace in the serene wonders that surround us. In this vast, fluid realm, the sea's boundless beauty and power become a profound testament to nature's infinite wonders. Step into the heart of the forest, where ancient trees stretch their limbs skyward, whispering tales of bygone eras. Sunlight filters through a verdant canopy, casting a dappled glow on the forest floor. The air is rich with the scent of pine and earth, while the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant call of birds create a soothing symphony. Here, Time seems to slow, and every moment is a reminder of nature's quiet, enduring majesty. Each rugged crag and sweeping valley tells a story of geological artistry, carved by the passage of millennia. As the sun bathes the peaks in a golden light, the mountains stand as timeless sentinels, embodying both the strength and serenity of the natural world. In the wild, every creature moves with purpose and grace, a living testament to nature's intricate design. From the majestic flight of an eagle soaring high above to the playful antics of a forest fox, each animal is a thread in the rich tapestry of life. Their presence is a poignant reminder of the delicate balance that sustains our planet and a celebration of the diversity and vitality of the natural world. As the day surrenders to night, the sky transforms into a canvas of breathtaking colors. The setting sun dips below the horizon, its warm embrace painting the heavens in shades of amber, coral, and violet. Each fleeting moment of sunset is a reminder of the day's end and the promise of a new dawn, a celestial masterpiece that inspires awe and reflection. The sea dances with light and shadow, a boundless canvas of tranquility. Waves kiss the shore, a rhythmic embrace of the eternal ocean's grace. As the sun dips below the horizon, it paints the sky with a masterpiece of colors that sunset's gentle descent wraps the world in a warm embrace of golden hues.